every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, hope to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard, or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay.
Goes well, you should be seeing this in real life tomorrow or maybe the day after.
It's okay. Well, I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun.
So we're at this place where they serve tea and coffee in bags. So that's what we ordered. And the funny thing is, it's in a bag and in a cup at the same time.
Yeah, otherwise it would fall down.
Yeah, but their main thing on the counter is, do you really need the bag? Like, they don't support plastic, but their main product is in plastic, so it's really funny.
Yeah, all I need are some better days.
So we are in this mall in Kuala Lumpur, and inside the mall we have a real adventure park with roller coaster and everything. Really insane. Standard. I always play strikes, you know. Must be in the hands, some magic fingers. Standard.
We arrived at the Batu Caves, which is one of the highlights of Kuala Lumpur, and you can definitely see it by the amount of people that are here. Crazy.
In the cave we expect bats, some monkeys and maybe a few birds like pigeons, but we don't expect those guys over here. What the heck do the chickens do here? Jak w Wietnamie pakowali wszystko w plastik, to tutaj pakują figurki w plastikową obudowę, ale nie wszystkie. Nie wszystkie figurki są w plastiku. Te metalowe nie są. Ani te pawie też nie. I'm wondering why the monkeys are getting aggressive. People sell food. And they will always want to attack for food. Ja, straks wordt die aapje boos. Ja, zo worden die apen dan.
I'm visiting a mosque. The ladies gave me, I went into this little shop where it says you get a free scarf, and I thought like it's to go inside and then you give it back, but she said I can keep it, so it's really nice because it's quite beautiful. Everybody loves to drive the car, so the traffic jams every day, they're crazy. Luckily we can just scoot through them.
So yeah, tell us what we...
We drove 1 full hour from Kuala Lumpur to go sightseeing on this natural phenomenon of fireflies.
Ah, cool.
Yeah, apparently it's not that easy to find in the world. Here's some more info on the fireflies. So these are the ones that we saw. What did you think?
It was very cool. I like the small lights.
Yeah, it looks like Christmas.
Looks like Christmas lights in the trees. So first thought was this is fake, but then when the boat came closer to the green, you saw the small flashlights flying around. And I always thought those things are way bigger. Like at least the shining part is like my thumb or something. Apparently they're like very small creatures. Having a nice evening meal with a great view. So where are we?
In Melaka.
And what are we witnessing?
Yeah, they're preparing for the weekly night markets, only in the weekends. And it's really nice to see how kung fu they are in putting everything fast the way it should be. It's only been like a few minutes and now the street is full.
And they're still driving the cars. So in all this house we found this guy who sells handmade ice creams. And when you look at them, they are really detailed. It's the first ice cream that looks exactly like the picture. Don't bite the ear off.